Hey guys, I'm KAKO and today we're going to create a cool comic for animation all in After Effects. Let's do it! First, download the project file from the description and also like this video and subscribe the channel to show you my new animation tutorials. In the project file, we have a music, a graffiti which I draw with a reference, and fireface that I draw them with shape and pen tool, and some video effect. Alright, draw the fire with pen. Hold Alt for curves. From effects, generate, give it gradient ramp, set the points and choose the colors. Draw a star. Ctrl Alt Home. Open the polyester path, set the inner radius on 80, outer radius on 140, inner roundness on 75, and outer roundness on 45. Right click on polyester path so that it convert to Bezier paths. Now keyframing path and rotation. Press U, set rotation on -132. To a complete minus rotation. Then change path. Again. 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 And repeat the first frame at the end. Duplicate the star. Select the keys. Move it to the right. -26. And add new keyframes. 334. Pass. And repeat the first frame at the end. Change mode to Silhouette Alpha. Select the fire and the stars, right click, pre-comp, name is fire. Yes. From effect and preset, add simple choker. Choke matte on 62. Wonder. Go back, select and duplicate the stars. Bring them down. Select the keys. Zero to a full turn. Change the path. Set mode to silhouette alpha. OK. Add waveform. By this setting. Well, but I think it's better to have less waves at the bottom of fire. So, change pinning on bottom edge. Back, parent the stars to the fire layer. Bring down. Edit gradient points. See? It's better now. Tip: if you want to loop fire or any animation, the keyframes at the beginning and the end of the animate should be the same as now. And then hold Alt. Click on watch pause, type loop out. I do this for all rotation and pass to fire continue forever. Keep going. Now, duplicate the fire comp. Add fill effect. I need a darker orange. OK, then a little increase the scale. Ctrl D. I want to give it a black stroke too, so increase the scale. Duplicate the first fire, add fill effect again, and add blur. Blurriness on 50. Change choke matte from effect control on 90. Decrease the scale on 90. Right? Duplicate again. Change blurriness on 126. Choke matte on 50. Yellow. Scale 60. Duplicate. And then mask. Decrease the scale. Move like fire embers. Now import the fire embers video. Right click, transform, fit to comp. Put it under the fire. From effects, add color range. Choose the background. Fuzziness on 0. Finally mask it. Level up. Unhide the face layers. Then fix. Now add the useful wave warp effect by this setting. Okay? Copy the effect from Effect Control and paste to the another face layer except cheeks. Satisfy. For composite, import the color all film to the After Effects and change mode to colorborn. Decrease opacity to 23. Then import the old field look paper. Set mode on overlay. Decrease opacity on 17. Make a black solid under the layers. Now, draw a vertical rectangle 3 times larger than the size of comb. Opacity 12. Mask it. Open the mask, keyframing feather from 500 to 450 and finally repeating the first keyframe. Hold Alt, click on Watch Feather, type Loop Out. And is the result. For fire in Terry, parent all the fire layers to the stroke. Then, put the fire and graffiti in a good position and size. Fine. Set anchor point at the bottom. And give a scale 0. Turn off constraint proportion 2690 to the original size. Select keyframes, press F9, change the graphs. And great! Turn off graffiti. Set the anchor point to the middle. Framing scale 0, 80, 60. Now mask it with a circle. Open the mask, add key. Now shrink the circle until the graffiti is invisible. Select all keys, press F9, add wave warp effect by this setting. Congratulations! If you like this video, make sure to squash the like button and subscribe for more. Good luck guys!